Welcome to Steve's Kitchen. Today we are making a delicious pasta. We're gonna use pasta, truffle oil, olive oil, salt, spinach, Parmesan cheese. It's a vegetarian pasta, easy to make, delicious. We have a half a pot of cold water. We're gonna boil the water. I'm gonna put a lid on it and we're gonna let the water boil. The water is boiling. Now we're gonna add the pasta. We're gonna give it a nice stir right away so it doesn't stick together. We're gonna put a half a teaspoon of salt and we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm gonna give it a stir. So right now we're gonna check the pasta 6 minutes. I want the pasta to be al dente. Medium heat. A little bit olive oil on the bottom, not that much. Then we're gonna take a little bit of the water from the pasta, put it right there. So we have the spinach, a little bit of salt, not too much, just enough. Take a little bit of the water from the pasta. I'm not using any garlic or anything on the spinach because I want you to taste the truffle oil. So by the time the pasta is ready, the spinach is going to be ready. Now we're going to bring the fire down to low. Beautiful. It's been 6 minutes. The pasta is ready. We want it al dente. We leave a little bit of water in it. So for this pasta, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of truffle oil. That's all you need. Spinach, put right in. Give it a nice mix. See, that's a healthy pasta. You know what it is? I wanted to make this pasta, and I made it a couple of times. I like the truffle oil. When you go in a restaurant and you ask for truffle, you pay a little extra money, right? So I figured, let me make it home. And how can I make it a little healthier? So you put some spinach in it, and I think in 20 minutes we got this meal done.
Yep.
I usually love Parmesan cheese on my pasta. So I think this is an easy recipe to make. It's delicious. It's vegetarian. And I like the idea of putting fresh spinach in the pasta. It really didn't took that long to add the spinach to it. Good food, good energy.
Every day.
It's a wrap.